Wouldn't it be nice to come in the evening to your place and to know that there is someone waiting for you, someone who is happy to see you, someone who wants to listen about your achievements, um, your concerns, spend time with you, maybe cook a special meal. And maybe you are in a relationship, but over the time, maybe you developed some communication issues. Hi, my name is Elena Vit, and I'm relationship and marriage building expert. It just breaks my heart to see how many people could actually save their relationship and marriages from just knowing proper communication tools. So if you're in a position when you're considering breakup or divorce, wait, because there could be a situation when your partner actually loves you, and you may even know that deeply in your heart, because many of my clients say, oh, it's just so bad, our relationship is so bad, I don't know what to do. And when I ask them, they say that they actually know that their partner loves them. If that's the case, if you know that your partner cares about you, then all you need to do, just learn some basic communication tools so you can actually listen to them in a proper way and also be heard. You can bring your needs and wants to the conversation without, escalating it, without making it a heated discussion. um, I was working with one of my clients, and she's been in the marriage for 7 years. When she shared with me that relationship kind of goes south a little bit, uh, so I showed her how to establish the right tone in her communication. I gave her a couple of exercises to do. She shared that with her husband. They did that work. And then they told me that they experienced their best Valentine's ever that they had during their relationship. It's even hard for me to believe that that was the case. That's what they told me, because it's supposed to be rosy peach in the beginning, right? But if you know how to communicate your wants and needs with your partner, if you have proper communication tools, what would stop you from having that real good relationship? And that's what puzzles me the most. Why? The things that are most important in our life, like basic things like financial education, being naturally healthy, relationship education, why we do not know, why we're not taught the basics of it. Later, then found out that average American family is 17,000, and now maybe even more in debt. So many sick people everywhere, and it's not getting any better with all this, uh, fitness clubs and um, places where we can exercise. And relationships, the divorce rate is still very, very high. So that's why I wanted to spend this time sharing with you that you actually can learn uh, fun and easy communication tools where you can show your partner how you want to be communicated. You would know your love languages. Have you heard about that? Basic education from John Gray's book, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Many people heard about that book, but have you actually read it? Did you take a time to learn? Because if you think about your job, how many years did you study in the college? Even before the college, how many years you studied in the school? Then you went to the college. You completed some courses. Then maybe you even went to university. How many years by now? 20? Then you came to the workplace and you were given someone who would supervise you, boss or supervisor, who would actually explain you what to do. On the top of that, you may have trainings, maybe even annual trainings, and so many years you spend to do the work what you do. How about your relationships? Why is it believed that relationships have to be happening just by themselves, just because? And when it's not perfect, all of a sudden we think, oh, this is just the wrong partner. And most of the time, they're exactly the people who need to be in your life. They probably the best person out of many on earth to be with you. They chose you as their love partner. They decided that you're perfect for them. It's priceless. Love, unfortunately, does not conquer all. Love has to be nurtured and cared for, and relationships do require work, and this is normal, and this is good, and this is what has to be happening if you want to have long lasting love relationship. I will be sharing more here in these videos. I am glad that you invested your time into listening to me for several minutes. I will bring a little bit more materials. Now, if you want to learn these basic communication tools, I offer weekly Zoom class. You can find me everywhere. I will put the link down below. I'm on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn. You can connect to me on my website, elenavit.com. And I also provide private consultations, so you can also work with me, with your partner, to bring your love life to the next level. Until then, live with light, peace, and bliss. See you in the next video.